GoDaddy. They have many different types of prints and designs of short sleeve shirts. This shirt is a Hawaiian style shirt. We're going to open up the package, show you what's inside and what it looks like. As we open up the design, you can see how nice color blue it is, and they put a piece of tissue for protection during wrapping. It's 5 o'clock somewhere of a parrot, blue, green, red, and it is a nice shirt. For your first time, iron it to get the creases out. Machine washable, 95% polyester and 5% spandex, so it will stretch. It has white buttons all the way up to the collar. Do not iron your collar. Turning around on the opposite side, it has the same exact logo design as well on the sleeves. Grab the iron and iron away. Take the crease out, and then you're ready to wear your shirt outdoors. Remember not to iron the collar. Fold your shirt, easy to store away. And when you're ready to wear, bring it on out. GoDaddy, casual dress wear, short sleeve shirts, 95% spandex, nice design as you can see. Parties, bowling, fishing, wherever. I hope this shirt is something that you are looking for your casual wear, anywhere you want to go. Enjoy your product from GoDaddy. Check them out if this shirt is right for you.